I now have a more in-depth knowledge on my form and more of like a better body awareness. My name is Courtney and I am from England. So I regularly participated in reformer and mat work classes, but it was very different. It was more like dynamic Pilates. It wasn't very like contemporary and classical. The first day I thought, wow, like this is so different to anything that I'd done before. She is one of the most knowledgeable women that I know in Pilates. She has such great understanding and her teaching is so thorough, and the way she explains things is very much in depth and it's easy for people to understand. I like that we got to watch it being done, and then we worked in partners, and we also had her going round and like helping and giving adjustments to everyone and modifications. Very hands-on. I like that anytime anyone had a question, like the whole class had to stop and listen to the question in case there was some people who maybe thought the same and didn't want to put their hand up and ask. Like everyone was included and there was like no judgment and everyone was able to learn. I would recommend this course to people who already are doing Pilates and looking to get a deeper understanding and more personal connection with your own body and have like a better body awareness, so that even if you don't want to teach, you can still take it into your next class, like all the knowledge. I now have a more in-depth knowledge and understanding about things like decompressing my shoulders, things that are also going to help my posterior tilt in the pelvis, just like a whole range of things that now I can take into my next class. And if I'm in a group class and she can't correct everyone's form, I have my own knowledge to be able to try and correct myself. I felt like it was fun, like there was no judgment, like everyone was there to do the same thing, everyone was on the same page, and we swapped partners every class, so it was nice, like everyone got to know each other on a personal level.